Welcome, Pam. You ever wake up already feeling behind? Tight in your chest, heavy in your hips, like your body's dragging your mind into the day? This is how we flip the script. By taking control before the world takes it from us. Let's hit the mat. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge. Left knee drops gently to the ground. Right hand plants beside your foot. Left arm reaches up and twists across the body. Start your morning with rotation because when your spine twists, your stress starts to entangle. I promise, this move decompresses your mid-back, stretches the hip flexors, and wakes up your posture like nothing else. Beginners, keep your back knee padded and lower the twist. Advanced stretches, tuck your back toes, lift the knee, and deepen the rotation. Breathe into the twist, not just through it. Feel the pull across your ribs. That's all tension leaving. Hold 5 more seconds. Switch sides. Left foot forward, right knee down. Reach your right arm up and across. This side might feel tighter, and that's normal. It's where yesterday's stress lives. I promise, this resets your spine's rotation and your breath's rhythm. Beginners, stay low and stable. Advanced stretches, add a gaze to your top hand and press into the back foot. Do you feel that spiral through your torso yet? That's your core realigning. That just untwisted your spine. Now let's activate your hips. Come to a kneeling position, hips stacked over knees. Place your hands at your heart or by your sides. From here, hinge back slowly, squeeze your glutes and return upright. This isn't just a stretch, it's a signal to your hips, your spine, and your nervous system. I promise, this dynamic opener strengthens your posterior chain, opens the quads, and stabilizes your entire base. Beginners, keep the movement small. Advanced stretches, try arms overhead and deepen the hinge. We're about to add full circular mobility. This primes you for it. Last 5 seconds, squeeze your glutes to rise tall. That just unlocked your hip flexor. Now let's spin into mobility. Stand up tall, feet hip width apart. Bend your knees slightly and begin to roll your hips in full slow circles, clockwise, then counterclockwise. You're not dancing, you're decompressing in every direction your spine forgot to move. I promise, this move improves lumbar fluidity, recenters your pelvis, and breaks up stiffness that leads to back pain. Beginners, keep circles small and controlled. Advanced stretches, add depth, let the rib cage and shoulders join the flow. Did you know the hips can rotate in 3 planes of motion, but most people only use one? Reverse the circle, own both sides. Now that your hips are fluent, let's take it deeper. Bring your feet wider than shoulder width, toes turned slightly out, sink into a deep squat, elbows press into your knees, hands in prayer at heart center, chest lifted. This is where your hips meet humility. You feel where the tension lives, but you also feel your strength return. I promise, this opens the inner thighs, ankles, and lower back like few other moves can. Beginners, use a block under your hips or lean against a wall. Advanced stretches, rock gently side to side to deepen the release. Can you keep your heels grounded for the next 5 seconds? Now rise up slowly. Head stays low. Feet together or hip width apart. Inhale, lift your arms high. Exhale, hinge from your hips, let your body pull forward. Head hangs, knees soft, arms dangle. This is surrender, not collapse, and it's exactly how your day deserves to begin. I promise, this decompresses your spine, lengthens your hamstrings, and teaches your body how to let go. Beginners, bend your knees and let your hands rest on your shins. Advanced stretches, grab opposite elbows and sway gently. Hold this stillness. Can you release your jaw, your brow, your breath? 5 more seconds. Stay here. That just closed the loop. Your entire backline is now reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours, when you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mind shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pen comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.